Toyota Camry 2011. It is due for cabin filter cleaning or replacement. I'm gonna check it out and see what I need to do, and I will show you how I'm gonna do that. The filter location is on the passenger side in glove box. Actually, behind the glove box, we need to take this glove box out. First, cleaning all stuff is in for easier access. Once it's all clean, here is the connector, or however one will have to call it, which need to be taken away by pulling the glove box up a little bit and just pulling this on the side. It has some elastic feeling that goes back by itself. When we need to put that back, we will need to pull it down and then put it back on the same spot. Second thing that we need to do is we need to squeeze the sides of the glove box and take this take that pin out, which I will need to do without recording and then show you how I did it. I took it out by squeezing these sides and having enough room to take it out from this slot, and on the other side is also like that. It needs to go all the way up and catch for that opening once we are done. For now, I took it away and I can rest it down on the floor of the car and go to filter. Filter has this knob or clip that I need to unclip on both sides and pull towards myself. Which is not so hard, but takes some finagling. Once I have it out, I can rest it down on the housing, and here is the filter. We need to remember the airflow, and arrows are showing the airflow, so it means goes from the top to the bottom. Okay, all we need to do is pull it out and check it out. I think it is hard to show, but it is a little dirty, and at least, yes it is, at least due for good cleaning, because it doesn't smell inside the cabin, but I will clean it well, because you can see here that it has a lot of debris. What I will do, I will use small shop vac and go each of these lines. I'll go in and suck all this debris out and see how that goes. Okay, I did it without recording, and then did a little bit of recording on the end just to show you how I did it, and it looks like that's enough. I don't need to replace it because it doesn't smell, like I said. Even with this dirt now being clean, it'll be good for a while. Put it back is reversal of the steps that we took to take it out. Put it in by paying attention on airflow arrows from the top to bottom, and we need to put this plastic cover on. Which is fairly easy, just snaps in. And now I will have to have both hands in use. That means I will not be able to record, but this nipple here will need to fit in this slot here. You see the trace from the previous changes, and this nipple here will need to fit in here. That means that I will need to squeeze with both hands both of these sides and put it in the way that it was. I managed to put both of these nipples almost in the holes, and all I need to do is push a little bit and it will catch by itself. You heard that on both sides, and it stays there by itself. Now we need to install last piece. Is this thing that I think is making it moving slow when we open the glove box. It is elastic, like I said earlier, so I had to grab it first without phone in my hand and then pull it down all the way to this nipple, and I need to put it back on, and that will be all. Close this, and looks like I didn't do something right, so I have to redo it. Maybe left side didn't catch on the bottom hinge, so I will check that out. What happened is these hinges here were not connected, and I need to make sure that I put that back in the spot and repeat everything that I said earlier with the nipples and little elastic thing. Okay, after all that adjustments with the hinges, I put all those nipples back in the slots, and on both sides attach this motion controlling elastic thing, and it is closing. So that will be all for air cabin filter checking out and cleaning. Thank you for watching.